Yes, everyone. Okay. It is VA time. With that many car problems, I've had to buy my 4th set of fucking jack stands. Oh, right. Obviously, sad as fuck. And that's the first thing. I can't sort it out right now, but I'm gonna put the space saver on while I'm working on it, and that way that wheel's freed up. I can figure out what to do with it. I think for the short term, until I know the car's sorted, I'm just going to take that alloy, take the one that's in there, get everything swapped over, pump it back up, shove it back on the car and see if it holds there. Because these tyres are, I mean, the rear's at end of life, the fronts are actually alright. So if I can do that way, run them till they're dead, get some new rears, get some new fronts, a couple of months apart or a month apart, so I'm not spending fucking bank on tyres in one go. The brakes and everything else, a lot on this car is very good. The downsides now, well, the downsides were the suspension, which collapsed, which was fixed, and looks weird now because of that flat tyre. That's what it is. Obviously the head gasket's gone on the first time I drove it, really, first time I drove it properly. And yeah, so basically it's a car that's on finance. I got very unlucky because I've already done loads of work on the car. I've replaced all 4 struts, I've been underneath it. I know it's good points and it's bad points. The bad points aren't horrific, and actually for the mileage it's very good. So the motor's done 100k, so it was already on borrowed time. It's pretty annoying it happened this early, but I guess the benefit for me is because it did happen this early, I've got the dealer helping me. So the middle ground, so that they don't have to spend bank or put some unknown engine in it or whatever, or it goes to someone that doesn't really know these cars. The middle ground is I do the labour with the help of RCM. They buy the parts and we get the fucker fixed. I think there's a couple of options available. We won't know what they are until we've got inside this engine, but I'm hoping the vast majority of what is there mechanically is sound. I'm hoping we can bore it out, go for larger pistons, forge it, head studs, RCM gaskets, done. And I'm not aiming for mad power. I mean, if I wanted to, I could probably push it to like 400 then. But that's not what we're doing. We're aiming for turnkey reliability and making sure it's put together right. So anything I'm unsure of, I'm just going to use RCM as my knowledge base. They've agreed to do this because they're absolutely awesome people, and they'll be getting business out of this anyway. So is what it is. I guess this is the first time I've worked on a car where it actually matters. So that don't matter if I can blow it up as much as I want. This matters. It's not my car, it's finance. Yes, I'm paying for it either way, but it is what it is, mate. Probably a stupid decision really, but I'll figure that one out when I'll learn that the hard way, won't I? What I don't know about these cars, I'm hoping they're still old school enough so you can have the battery disconnected and you manually lock the doors. And obviously Friday, so beer time, and then let's start doing things. Punk, mate, you should sponsor me the amount of fucking punk I drink, seriously. Brewdog, you should supply me with free beers for while I'm fixing my cars. Alright, probably technically illegal, but I think a copper would have a hard time arguing I was driving this. And my other car's over there. Both my other cars are over there and there and there, and they're all broken, so no worries, no worries there. Right, so first question, Dear me, it hasn't been used for long. Right, that still has the old school lock, so that's a good start. That's got a key lock, so that one's fine. This one has no key lock. It does have an old school lock, but does it work? No. It does that really annoying thing, so I'm assuming then the option's gonna have to be that. What about this? This one will lock shortly. Yeah, same with Subaru, so what I'm gonna have to do then, dear me, poor car, is basically go and then I'm assuming we'd have to lock that like that then in future, and that would be all of them locked. Okay, seems plausible, seems doable. The reason I was doing this little test, my Ford, it's not mine, but a Ford that I drive, mate, if you take the battery off it, it just goes fucking apeshit. Like literally, it goes fucking apeshit. Hello, you broken engine. Right, let's deal with this wheel first. So I don't think I brought with me a fucking breaker bar. Fuck. Straight away I haven't got any tools I don't have. Yeah, I haven't. It's in the car. There's a box of tools I forgot to bring over. Where's my keys? Oh, you can't open the boot for me on these ones. With this one, as I said the other day, I got the wrong seals in the pack. The new seals are coming hopefully tomorrow, and then I can just whip off the sundials, get this car sorted, and then I've done this one big problem. Now I did them up nice and tight. One problem I am going to have with this car is space. I weren't planning on pulling it apart, so I haven't accounted for the space I'm going to need. So that's again another one that's going to be a pain. What a pain. Come on, you didn't even need to get involved in this. A fucking pain in the ass. What I don't want to do, because this car is in lovely condition, apart from the shit that's broken, is pile all the parts in a boot like a project car. So I'm going to have to figure something out. I need to figure out whatever I do use goes back the way it came off. Get this up and off. Gonna go straight in further back so I can put it on axle stand straight away. Probably makes more sense. Let's do the wheel first, you know, because this jack's a bit shit. It's not going to go high enough. I don't want to get all that brushed off. The car's going to be sat for a while. Right, so what we're going to do is just swap the wheel quickly then. And then we'll go from there. Oh good lord, that's just paint. Oh, so I fucked with this way out. Alright. Right, I'll put it like that. Dear me, come on. That was stupid. Let me get it off this jack. I'm gonna get a proper jack that's not so much of a fucking risk. Oh, what a sad sight, but it looks better than the other fucking wheel with the squished fucking shit. fucking close. That'll be alright, just about. You know what's really annoying? You see that lovely red filter? And the oil that's in this car has done about fucking 10 miles. I'm pretty sure. That's the mid plate on these cars like the other ones. Yeah, it must be. So, make sure the handbrake's on nice and tight. Trying to find a truck if there is one, but I don't know where to put the things. Ooh, that's greasy. It's really greasy. EG285 pulley wheel chocks, that'll do. Why the fuck not? Where's my vape? It'll be in here, yeah. The old car looks so much easier to support at the front. Yeah, that's gonna be it. It's not on particularly equal there, so I'll drop it and do that again. Subframes on these cars are well weird. Oh, stop making cracking noises. There's also no decent places to put a friggin' jack stand on the front of these cars anymore. The whole car is very different, actually. I think it might just have to go as high up on the jack stand, as high up on the pinch welds as it can go, and hope the fuck it doesn't give up on the engines. It sat like that for a while. That's slipping off, I don't like it, it needs to be quick. And I didn't set myself up to be quick. Go for like that, so not much more higher. I'll set up. Question is, do I trust that? I'm gonna say no, to be honest. That's pretty much in the fucking centre, surely it'll be alright now. Feels like a really flimsy piece of metal to be jacking up on like this. I think I prefer the old design of underneath the car. Less fucking flimsy. And it keeps fucking slipping off the jack point. What fucking good is that? Would you please just shut up and get the fucking car up? Starting to get a bit annoyed. Shouldn't be this fucking difficult, mate. It's literally pulling itself off the fucking jacks, off the fucking... Watch. That's kind of hard to do. Oh, God. Oh, no. No. Nowhere near. I really don't like that. I put it in the centre and it's slipping about. I'm just going to go for number 2 and suffer with the height. I honestly don't fucking trust that little plate in the middle. To be honest, there's quite a bit of space there anyway. With the auto cars, you can literally do some insane lifts with them. Right, I'll get this down without fucking cracking it down. Okay. All good. Going nowhere. Right. I'm going to start removing things or draining the oil. It's a nice, not windy day, so I'm going to drain the oil. When it's windy and horrible, it takes the fucking piss. That does mean going all the way back to the house though. Fuck it, I'll leave the oil for a bit. I just want to get some work done. To be honest, it's not the end of the world anyway. Coolant. There's always shit to do on these cars as well. But I'll be honest, we've got a few more issues before we get to coolant. So let's get some tools. Don't fucking do that. Yeah, obviously we have carnage in here.